Due to the COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, the Lee College Writing Center will begin remote course delivery over the next few weeks. This tutorial will walk you through that process. During remote course delivery, the Lee College Writing Center will provide online-only appointments for students. Information on Lee College's response and plans regarding COVID-19 can be found online at www.lee.edu/coronavirus. All appointments will be what we call written feedback. Using our online scheduling system, you will attach a draft of your paper to your appointment and include information about your assignment and your concerns. At your appointment scheduled time, your tutor will download your document and their feedback into your draft and send you back your draft with feedback at your appointment's conclusion. Now we will break down the process and show you how to schedule an appointment and what to expect. Our scheduling process is similar to the process we follow at our in-person writing center. First, you need to log into our online scheduling website, which you can access at the Writing Center's homepage at www.lee.edu/writing. You can also access our Lee College webpage from the links from our Students tab on the Lee College homepage. If you are a new user, you will need to register before you can log in and see our available appointments. After logging in, you will see our Lee College Writing Center schedule with available and unavailable written feedback slots. Click on the white box to reserve a date and time for written feedback on your draft. You do not need to be available during your time slot. If you have a draft ready now, select the first available appointment to get the quickest feedback. Complete the form with detailed information about the course, assignment, and your concerns. The more detailed you are, the better feedback we can provide. At the bottom of the form, there is an option to attach documents. You can either attach your draft immediately when scheduling your appointment or wait. You must attach a draft to your appointment at least 1 hour prior to your appointment. If no draft is attached to your appointment an hour prior to your appointment time, we will cancel your appointment. If you have a PDF or a Word document with your assignment's instructions, please attach this too. After you create an appointment, you can make changes to your appointment, including attaching a document or updating your draft. Just return to your appointment time in the Lee College Writing Center schedule to make changes. Now let's look at what happens next at your appointment time. At your appointment start time, your tutor will review the information you have provided. Download your draft assignment sheet and proceed to use Microsoft Word to provide individualized feedback to improve your writing. Your feedback will include comment bubbles throughout your document providing general suggestions for revision. This will consist of suggestions, praise, and advice targeted to specific words, sentences, and paragraphs in your draft. Our written feedback is not designed to be proofreading or editing. Our goal at the Lee College Writing Center is to help improve the overall effectiveness of your writing both in the short term and the long term. We believe that providing written feedback helps achieve our goal better than simply correcting your writing line by line. Our tutors allocate 50 minutes to each written feedback appointment. Therefore, your consultant may not be able to read and provide feedback on your entire draft. However, they will let you know how much they were able to read. You will receive your commented file with an attachment within 1 hour after your appointment's finish time. You can also access the commented file from your appointment in the scheduling system. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We know that in times of uncertainty, stress levels are high. If we can be of any assistance, please let us know. You can reach us by contacting us at the email address here.